Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel that is Techaruna, and I hope all of you know about that. I'm running a series on Canva tutorial, and in previous episode I have discussed about how to create a certificate in Canva from scratch, as well as how to customize a certificate from the ready-made certificate template available. So, and also, I promise that in my next video, I will be sharing how to create bulk number of certificate at one go. As you all know that in every organization or an institution, you don't have to prepare only one certificate. You need to prepare bulk for the candidates or students to give certificate. So, without wasting much time, we are going to today see about how to bulk create certificate for any organization. So, without wasting much time, we'll go to Canva platform and open a template of certificate. You can modify the name of the organization and also the title of the certificate. And you need to have the data with you. So I have actually created a data already in the Google Sheet. We need to create the data in the Google Sheet. That data should have whatever you want in the certificate. That data should be available here in the Google Sheet. So I have created names and position for some 7 candidates. So here we go. Now we have to save this, or you can say you have to download this as a CSV file. How to do that? Go to file option, go to download, and you have the second last option, that is comma separated values, that is CSV. Click there and you need to save the file. Done. Now we have downloaded this file. Now we have to move on to the Canva platform where we have got this template modified as per our need. Now, what to be done? We actually need to go to apps, the 9 dotted space, and then you need to type bulk create, and the first option comes is bulk create, and click on that option. Now it is asking you, do you want to enter the data manually or you want to upload the data? So I am going to mention here, you can actually enter the data manually, but it will take a lot of time. So you can upload the data. We have got the Google Sheet downloaded, that I'm going to click, and it is coming up with 2 options. One is names, the other one is position. So in the certificate, you need to click the space where you need the name, and it will give you an option connect data. Just connect the data. You have 2 data available. So click on the names data and go and click the position. Again, you connect the data for position. Click on position, done. Now, once you connect these 2 data, or even if you have more data, 3 data or 4 data, after that, it will give an option to continue. So I think this is not done. Let us do it. Yes. Now click the button, continue. Now see here, pages created on the base of the data you entered. Now, what we have to do is we have to just click the button, generate 7 designs. In case, in between, if you don't want any of the design, you can untick this and then get back to the generating data. Now, we are going to click on generate 7 designs, and we'll wait for some time. Within minutes, or within, I should say, within seconds, you will be getting all these 7 certificates. See here, we have got the, I will show it, zoom and show it to you. It is showing you the name and also first position. Got it? Now let us see the next one. See here, Anita second position, Divya third position, and Lisha for participation, and others for participation. This is so simple. After generating this, you need to go to share and click the button download, and you will get an option to download it as PNG or PDF, whatever you want, you can download and use it. So I hope you found this useful. If so, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And in case if you have anything to share, then comment in the comment box. And that's all from my desk today. And thank you for watching.